Good evening, everyone. Me, Navin K, will represent a seminar on paper batteries. Let me start it this way. It's energetic and quite positive, but it also has a negative side, which means battery. A battery was first invented by Italian physicist named A. Volta in 1800. When we hear the word battery, we all know how battery is helping us in day-to-day life. Today's biggest problem faced by electronic industries is battery size. The gadgets get thinner and smaller day by day, and the weights and the size of the batteries are creating an obstacle for the electronic industries. In order to overcome, paper batteries presents an ultimate solution. Paper batteries is a conducting paper with lots of power packed inside it. Paper batteries gives a solution for all the problems which is faced by the common batteries. Growing a demand for thinner and smaller electronic devices. As we know, the best example is our smartphones. The smartphones are becoming a thinner and smaller day by day, which increases the demand of thinner and smaller electronic devices. To achieve these demands, paper batteries offers the best solution. Paper batteries is a cellulose-based paper with carbon nanotubes. Some batteries uses a silver nano wires instead of CNTs. It is flexible, lightweight, and stores much power in less space. Now wonder what is a paper battery? A paper battery is a flexible, ultra-thin energy that is used for storage and production devices, which is formed by combining the carbon nanotubes. A paper battery acts as both high energy battery and a supercapacitor. Next. Next, generally the lithium ion is the rechargeable batteries are most commonly used in smartphones, laptop, digital cameras, and home appliances, etc. There are primarily three functions involved in lithium ion batteries. That is, positive electrode graphite, a positive electrode cobalt oxide, a negative electrode graphite, and electrolyte lithium salt in organic solvent. During discharge and charging, lithium ions Li plus or lithium ions carry the current from negative to positive electrode and vice versa. The disadvantages of lithium ions are it is expensive and it's delicate to handle, and regulation when shipping the lithium ion batteries are bulky, which increases the cost. It requires an extra electronic monitoring system to avoid overheating and increasing the temperature. Now, we wonder why to use a paper battery. The paper batteries are ultra thin in size and flexible in structure. It exhibits the properties of supercapacitor, and the operating temperature is minus 75 degree to 100 degrees Celsius. It provides a long-term and steady power production and also a cost-effective. Next, next comes how the paper batteries are made. The carbon nanotubes are the one of the main concept behind the paper batteries. The paper batteries combines a cellulose-based paper with CNTs. Carbon nanotubes are allotropic form of carbon which is made of graphite, and the CNTs are arranged in a series of condensed benzene ring rolled up in a tubular structure. Next, this is the structure of paper battery. It consists of 5 layers, which involves a CNT layer, which is a carbon nanotube layer, and a LTO layer, which is a lithium titanium oxide, a paper layer, and a lithium cobalt oxide, and a carbon nanotube layer. Next comes the construction of paper batteries. The paper batteries involves majorly 7 steps. The first step is black carbon ink is applied on a cellulose based paper. The next step is a black carbon ink is being spread over a cellulose based paper. The third step is a thin lithium film is laminated over an exposed cellular surface. Then the fourth step comes, the cellulose paper is heated up to 80 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Next step is the film is being peeled off from the substrate. Then the film acts as the electrolyte. Next step is we connect the LED on the both side and check its functionalities. Next come the advantages of the paper batteries. The advantages of paper batteries are it is a rechargeable and no leakage of electrolyte, more power in less space, no overheating, easy to recycle, can work as super capacitor, a lightweight and flexible. For every advantages, there is always a disadvantage. What are the disadvantages of paper batteries? The size is very thin and can be easily damaged. A CNT production technique is very expensive. A non-toxic for CNT manufacturing workers, which can cause hazardous health issues. And aquatic animals are being damaged by the use of CNTs. Next, the applications where the paper and how the paper batteries are used. It can be used in cosmetics, tracking devices, microprocessor, a thin display, a debit card, credit card, a medical care, a toys, a digital cameras, etc. Next comes the power batteries offers a future power. The black piece of paper can power a small light. Flexible paper batteries could meet the energy demands of next generation of gadgets. The paper batteries contains a huge energy which can one day power up a car. Next, conclusion. As we came to know that the major component used is CNTs. CNTs. The use of manufacturing of CNTs are inefficient, which increases the cost while creating the paper batteries. If the cost is kept aside, the paper batteries helps the electronic industry in a much higher level. The strength of the paper batteries can be increased by adding the glass, fiber, rings, plastics, and etc. By the use of lithium, we can solve most of the safety issues in lithium-ion batteries. With the paper batteries, we can predict a whole new world possibilities and endless application which will come across one day, which can increases our lives. Thank you.